Good morning, guys. Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome on board. How are you doing? Happy Wednesday times. 3rd of December. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I hope you're having a great time. Well, look at that. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, everyone. Good morning, good evening. What's happening? We just got into the daily volume weighted average price. 640s. That was a pretty prompt rejection from a triple top we had there earlier today. What's up, everyone? How's it going? How do you feel today? Good morning. Welcome. Good evening. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation with all the community members. Everywhere. Good afternoon. Hey. Good evening. Great to have you on board. What a strong reaction, guys. Let's just go ahead and activate our 50K. I think this is going to be day number 7 for our 50K IRM account. Day number 7. It's not bad. Day number 7 for our 50K. I'm not really planning to make more than the base hit of 150 bucks. Not planning to make more than that. It's the last day of promotion, guys. Guess for who? For the Lucid. Last day of massive promotion, 40% off on all the accounts. Scramble coupon code for the Lucid Flex. Last day for the big promotions on the Lucid Flex. It's the last day, so you can load up accounts. As many as you guys want. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We got some serious numbers out here in terms of the way it reacts. 20 points already printed. There's one thing we shouldn't underestimate here. It's kind of this trending line breakout. We actually managed to do it today. And on top of that, right now, receiving a higher low after the structure we broke out is a good sign for the bulls. They might be attacking that 677 today and continue. You know, today's high with yesterday's highs are pretty close to each other. Look at that. We rise for greatness. Let's go. No, shouldn't be an issue. Shouldn't be an issue. If you're not changing the IP every single day or multiple times a day, not a problem to be in a holiday. Let's go, guys. Come on. Looking at the markets, but I gotta take it slow because I missed the entry here on the daily volume weighted average price, VWAP. I missed that entry. I think we've got some news today. There's someone in our community that informed people. High important news at 10 a.m. today EST time. So in an hour and a half from now, I think you have the ISM services, right? So 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, do not trade on the IRM. Good morning, great to see you, New Jersey. Happy to have you on board. And that's a pretty strong reaction, guys. So if we take this one back into 670s, I'd like to test out a short. Maybe in from 668, 670s. But I'm still questioning if I should position myself against this whole 1 minute powerful movement. Look at that. Because there is always the risk of a total V-shaped recovery. What's up, guys? How you doing? Make sure to like the video. Come on. And $125,000 giveaway today. Right, so keep that in mind. Lucid Flex 40% scramble coupon code. It's the last day of promotion today. Testing out a little short here. Whoa. I'm out. 210 profit. Look at that one, guys. Celebration time. We hit the target here. 210 profit. There you go. Fireworks. Keep it running. Keep it running. And the final explosion. Boom. That's the way to start. That's the way to start your Wednesday time. 210 profit. I don't need more on this 50K. And let me show you why. So we go to the table and we look into the daily net PNL. We have basically 7 days. This is the daily net PNL column. Let me present you. Daily net PNL column. This one. Look at that. Seven days, 3 more days, and we're going for the payout. I'm going to exclude myself from trading daily lockout here. And this is on IRM. 50K, we managed to pass the challenge. We got it funded. And we're pushing, guys. Thank you so much. 210, just like yesterday. You need minimum 150 bucks every single day. That's it. There's no payout target. Just 10 days of at least 150 bucks. Continuing to trade on our 150K. 150K instant funded. This one. Grabbing my long here. Grabbing my long on Ticktick Trader.
Order filled.
So I've grabbed my long on Ticktick. I've grabbed my long on the IRM. And I'm gonna take a little long here too. On a Lucid 150K instant funded. Right?
Order
Adding
filled.
more to the Ticktick. I'd like to exit at the top. 64 if I get a chance there. Yeah. Come on. Look at that crazy movements here. All the wicks we're getting, guys.
Order filled.
Just DC it once again if this level holds.
Order
Adding
filled.
more over here as well. I'm gonna add more on my Lucid 2. Take profit. Add a top. Good job, Master Trader. Great job, guys. Adding
Order
another
filled.
contract to this. One
Order
more.
filled.
All the way into the 61, and I'm nicely out. Another contract on my
filled.
Lucid 2. And one more on the IRM. Let's go, guys. Come on. Look at a spread. Pretty poor market conditions from my standpoint in the way the price action goes. This is certainly not that enjoyable. I'm about to get concerned with this trade if it's not moving. And I'll have to get out, but certainly, that 55 might give us sufficient defensiveness. That 55. Give it to me. Adding
Order
another
filled.
contract to this. There's 3 points needed. Exit is on the 60s for my Ticktick. And I think this would be... Oh! What on earth just happened? I'm putting break even, but look at a wick, guys. What on earth just happened there? Look at that one, guys. Come on. And that's the
Order
second
filled.
time. There you go. Finally, 520 profit achieved. Good. We touched the target here. Let me see what's happening. I'm going to go break even. And certainly take my profit higher. I'm going to go with my profit higher over here as well. Stop loss, break even. Great. So let's celebrate, guys, for the Ticktick what we have. Hopefully they are coming back. We have 6 points, guys, for the Ticktick. 6 points for the Ticktick. 6 points for the Ticktick. 1 more point is needed. Let's go. Come on. Keep going, buddy. Gotta be careful on yesterday's high. Around the 70s. This is a nice place to take my profit. Oh. I'm out here, 645 on my IRM, 150k. I'm happy with that, 645. I'm happy with this
Order
one here
filled.
as well, 606, guys. So we've collected some profits. There you go, time to celebrate. Time to celebrate. Thank you so much, guys. Time to run the fireworks show. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Big profits back and forth. Big profits back and forth. Six days of a $500. So we collected 6 points on 5 accounts. One more point is needed, and I will try and request my payout, but they have to resume the whole business. Hopefully that's going to happen as soon as possible with a Ticktick. Lucid 606 for some business here. We had on 28th, 1,800. A big loss on the 1st of December. Because that's how you want to start a month, the last month of the year. You always want to get hit hard so you can nicely wake up and fight back and become stronger. And then since that, as you can see, we managed to get back above the initial balance. We're sitting $500 in profit from the level we purchased the 150K Lucid direct accounts. So these are instant funded 3 accounts. I don't think I'm going to trade on this ones today anymore. I'm going to just lock myself. Time to lock myself pretty much out of everywhere we traded because I hit my targets. Locking myself out of the Ticktick, locking myself out of the Lucid, locking myself out of this account too. The 618 daily lockout from the IRM. And then I think I have to lock myself out of the 50K account we also traded today. Beautiful. We've locked ourselves out. And now we still have to trade some more accounts, of course. We're not jumping to giveaways that quickly. Yes, I'm just on Nasdaq. Just on Nasdaq. So the question... Hey. Good job, buddy. Look at that. Help us prevent fake accounts. And he put a... Join our Discord, guys. Join our Discord. Now, what do we have out here? The IRM evaluation. You want to pass the evaluation. $44 right now. No activation fee. 50% consistency, but there is cushion out there and you can pass that in 2 days. So you got to hit your 6% target basically. End of the day trailing. Once you get funded, you only need to do $150 per day minimum. And you have a 10 days trading of $150 per day minimum. You don't have a payout target. You're free to trade in whatever form you want. I'm not able to log in on Ticktick Trader. I'm just getting directly to my Project X, guys. Ticktick Trader has been down for a couple of days and we're waiting for some official updates. I don't know. I've not been able to talk with them for a few days. No response, no replies. The only thing that is publicly available is just their support on the main chat, on the lounge, on their official Discord. But there's no official communication coming through the announcements. And there's no replies to my messages that I sent out to my contacts of Ticktick. To the, executive level. The payout cap, of course, there is a payout cap on the IRM. But there is no payout target. The 50K is $1,500. For the 50K, for the 150K, which is also what a lot of the people trade, is $2,500. Make sure to join the giveaway, guys, and sign up. Like the video. Yeah, they gotta quickly fix, or either way, they have to come out with an announcement. Our community is waiting, and they gotta come out with an announcement as soon as possible. We got rejected by yesterday's highs, and we're pretty close to that. Once again, guys, Lucid Flex is having its last day of massive 40% launch promotion. Yeah, The cap is nicely increasing. Let me share with you guys in the help center. I'm also talking about it in my videos on my channel. So payout cap structure with $500, your cap is increasing. Here we got it. 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, and then 4,000. So the increase is 1,500 from the third payout, which is huge. Think about it. You only need to do $150 a day. And of course, respect the consistency, which if you pass a challenge is 35% on the funded, and during the challenge is 50%. So the 150K, which is what a lot of the people prefer, you know, the payout goes to $6,000. You can have 3 accounts simultaneously. You can do copy trading inside Volumetrica nicely. On the top right corner, you got a copy trader. You just click there and set it up. Put it a name, give it a name, select the parent account, select the child account, and you're good to go with that one. Do not touch anything else. Leave it on default. Right, so Volumetrica, a web-based platform, allows you to trade their IRM accounts promptly. You can also trade on other firms, not other firms, other trading platforms such as the ones mentioned. ATS, Advanced Trading Analytical Software. Deep Charts, Deep Map, Volumetrica, Quant Tower. But of course, you also have the possibility to go for the instant funded, which means that you have 50% off with Scramble coupon code 50. And that's another 10% than what they're giving you, and 10% from the total price, which is $900, so it's $90 per account extra. These accounts, you don't need to pass a challenge, they're funded. You just take the accounts, you trade for 10 days, and you request a payout. $150 per account minimum per day, and that's it. Very simple and straightforward. $6,000 right there for the trailing. It's a big deal, guys. That's a big deal right now with the IRM. Yes, you can set a personal daily loss limit in Volumetrica. Let me share with you guys how to do it. Something around $250 for the $25,000 Hop on futures. It's a really good risk and reward. Here's for Volumetrica, you go to your dashboard. Basically, you have the added risk, and you say daily loss. You select the mode. You can say maximum equity, or you can say whatever form. Confirm. You want to make sure inhibit changes until next session. Confirm, and you are putting a daily max loss. So Volumetrica is certainly having a great platform. A great platform. There's some things to work around it. For the time you're funded, no monthly subscription. But even before, I mean, it's per month basically. The model, the challenge is per month. But you know, it's very likely that you're going to pass your challenge account in 30 days, right? There is no monthly subscription for data feed for anything like that. No. The only monthly subscription is if you do not pass your challenge in 30 days, and you have to renew your challenge account. Any of the challenge accounts, if you need to renew your challenge accounts, you're not passing it or losing it in 30 days. But I don't think that's an issue for 99.9%. Majority of people would actually pass this or simply lose it in less than 30 days. There is no monthly fees in terms of data fees or anything else. Right? And once you get funded, you don't have any other fees. You can cancel it, of course. But, you know, at the time you lose the account, it's automatically going to be canceled. And at the time you pass the challenge, it's automatically going to be canceled as well. Right? So when there is a final conclusion of the account, whether we talk about passing or losing it, the subscription is going to be canceled. volumetric is similar to Project X. It's not the same, but it's similar. It's pretty much difficult these days to reach out to Trade-Evade. They're working on it. I told them to work on it. And they're working on it for the Trade-Evade option too. Thinking about... Gotta switch the account. We have a 150k instant funded here that's under the water. Let me open up our coin tower because we have the Lucid Flex accounts there. We have 5 Lucid Flex. Yes, it's an auto renew. But if you didn't pass the account and you lost it, it's cancelled. Right, so it's just going to be auto-renewed if there is no profit target or max loss hit. If you still have it active and you're trading on it. The favorite prop right now is the Lucid Trading and the IRM. These are the 2 favorites. Both are delivering top-level services. And from the stats I see, from the stats we've got, that's pretty much the majority of our communities there. Yes, I am against that form of trading. I'd like to be a little more defensive than so aggressive. I think spreading your eggs in multiple baskets allows you even to make some money on some accounts that, you know, just spread the risks. That's what you're doing, basically. Of course, it requires you to trade better on multiple accounts. But at the same time, if you're having a bad day with your first trade, you don't need to lose on all the accounts that you're trading and you're connected with that specific, right? So that's a kind of hit and run type of trading. I like to diversify, be more defensive, trade every single prop firm separated. So I know it's harder because I have to be consistent pretty much on all the firms separated. But at the same time, it has not been an issue. So instead of connecting 30, 40 accounts and have it go in a single run, I think there is so much pressure behind that. It's an additional pressure, and I don't think you need it. Trading all your accounts. And a lot of the firms have different rules. You might have different targets for different firms. And you might just go at different, right? So thank you so much, buddy. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Let's bring up the numbers. We've hit targets back and forth today. Keep in mind, Lucid Flex is the last day of big promotions. The Lucid Flex launch was giving 40%. Probably that's going to decrease. Yesterday we made 1,200 on our Lucid Flex accounts. Let me see what's the scaling plan for the Flex. Right there is a scaling plan. I can trade 5 minis with my 150k. Running nicely again. I wouldn't say an unexpected move, but certainly I was not. It is certainly, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, chat crib. Thank you, appreciate it. It's automatically connected. You just have to log in to the web platform inside the dashboard area. It's automatically connected. They're going to do it for you. Inside your dashboard, you will be able to discover all your accounts. We've got 4 accounts right now. We don't trade one of it. It's paused because you're not allowed just to have 3 funded, right? Simultaneously. But I got an extra 150k when we were out there on the Black Friday. So we're loaded up. It's another interesting rejection from yesterday highs. And this is certainly not an easy condition out there to perform your trades. Like all the zigzag here that we've got with extremities touched on today's high. All the way back to the VWAP. Keep in mind that 640s can be very easily touched soon. 640s. Daily opening sitting on 611. You saw what's happening on the BTC, guys. We pushed today into 94 grand. Bitcoin looks pretty bullish. Ethereum is pushing 3,100, gaining some nice movements aggressively. So the crypto space looks much better with the December's financial situation. That's an interesting question. Purple Ninja Facts, let me get back to you with the answer. If you can copy between a challenge and an instant funded, let me get back to you with an answer towards that. I can talk with Mo Saidi, which is their CEO, this guy which is punching in their video. I've talked to him on... he actually joined one of our live streams. He's a great guy. So let me just reach out and ask. He's a really good guy. Good morning, welcome guys. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Look at that drop. We have opened our quant tower. I would actually hunt something around the 40s. The thing is, we could actually revisit the purple line, which has been touched a few times today. Look at that. It's the 200 EMA. And that one sits on the 626. So if I bid here on the 40s, it's a model of knife catching. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully they get back. We don't have any official announcement for the moment. They have not replied me for a few days, so hopefully not. Right, so I got a response from IRM CEO Purple Ninja Facts. Yes, you can do copy trading between challenge accounts and instant funding accounts. Yes, you can do that. Still gloves. Yeah, not a bad idea. How does that sound in trading? Still glows in trading sounds unlimited balance, and you just DCA continuously with the ability of swing trading as well. So if you're not in profit today, you just keep DCAing till the end of the life, till the end of the world. That's kind of the still glows, right? Think about it. I mean, if you have $100,000 and you start with micros, 100 grand personal account, micros, it's not easy to lose if you keep DCAing and you do swing trading as well. Certainly not easy to lose. If you look at the Nasdaq for the last 20 years, there's no way you lose, right? But you need a strong balance and to risk a small portion with every single great entry and possibility just to DCA into your position and keep going like that. The strategy I've been using, guys, for my swing trading business, which is the bread and butter for me since 2014. I'm a crypto trader, swing trading, no day trading. Let me tell you, it's basically to average in on weakness while I've been averaging out on strength. You know, people do the opposite. People average in when the market is strong, and then they average out when the market is weak. You know that all the indicators and statistics become bearish when the market is going down, and the more it goes down, the more bearish people become. So the more it goes to the upside, the more bullish people become. That's crazy to me that there's still such a naive model implemented in the space. 646, guys. We're taking. I could be testing out along here and be tight. Let's do it. With stop loss right below the wick. If we don't get rejected. Oh, look at that. Totally got rejected. Totally got rejected. Nice, $330 loss, but we're dumping. We just crossed the daily volume average price VWAP. Smashed through like all the way into 20s. Oh, what's happening, guys? Where's my account? Testing out along on the 600s. DCAing. This is how the algo opened. The flat hour algo. Let me share with you guys my Quant Tower too, because I want to open up a trade here as well. Around the 600s. Oh, what's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. That's pretty brutal, guys. You just got 60 points dump. Oh, then we just had the PMA data. No, I don't like this. Oh my gosh. What happened, guys? 2,000 down. 2,300 here as well. Look at a candlestick we have. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me verify. News are coming out in an hour. We might be something external, guys. Some external news out there. You have to look into financial juice or something. What happened out there? Give me a break, guys. Give me a break. Give me 3 minutes break, guys. 3 minutes break. I'll get back to you in 3 minutes. Just stop the markets from falling. Stop them. Look at that. 3 minutes break. I'll get back to you in 3 minutes. We're back, guys. We're back. What happens out there? What's been going on? What's going on, guys? Oh my gosh. 425, 450s. We're back. But it's not easy to be handled, right? I think we lost an account. Let me look into this. I think we lost this. No, we haven't. We still have 2,300. No, we still have 1,700. Yeah. Gold is taking a shot. But that Nasdaq, insane movement, guys. Just got to get into a different time frame to see what's happening. Look at the 4 hours, totally getting denied. Oh my god. Let me just wake up, guys, because this is, you know, look at a 15-minute. We smashed through everything, guys. We had a weekly VWAP, the weekly opening, nothing held. We might see this one delivering. Let me share with you this point. 415, guys. Can we get 415 up to something? Or I'm just dreaming? You have to buy new ones. Crypto dumped as well, but not that much. We get to touch that 414. You know, out of a bullish context, we just smashed through 200 points. We touched that low on 415. You know, I'm glad we made great profits pretty much on a lot of the places. No daily. Yeah, there is a daily loss. 4,500 for the instant funded. No daily loss for the evaluation. Testing out a little short here, guys. You know, it's a temporary support. But if we don't break above this candle and we continue sliding... Nah. Now we start pushing the other side. Gotta recalculate and calibrate this. Yeah, it's quite a lot. Pumping into the VWAP. Have to recalibrate after this movement. I'm a little bit under the pressure. Look at that. We might get to see something around the weekly opening 480s or the weekly VWAP here on the 66. No. We're getting aggressive, guys. Let's find it out. I've just DC'd at the top. We'll put a stop loss there at the top of the wick. Pretty aggressive, right? It's a nice rejection for the moment. Keep sliding. Keep sliding, buddy. So I can go break even. I'm going break even right now. Sold 2 contracts. I'm out for the moment. We made like $700 here. We're still down 1,000 on all the 5. Might be a temporary support coming through here, some way or the other. So I gotta be careful, guys. But that was tough. We get the opening in 10 minutes. We're getting the opening in 10 minutes. Let me see this account. How's it? $700 max loss on this account. Trying to see if we can do something at the opening. Make sure to like the video, guys. We've got that giveaway. Give me a minute, guys, just a minute. There you go. We're back in track. Lucid Flex, like I said, guys, it's the last day of massive promotions. It's the last day. Massive. Sting out a little short here if it holds. Let's find it out. We're gonna find it out if it holds. We're gonna go pretty quickly on break even, don't worry about it, such as right now. And my profit is gonna be grabbed. Around this level, guys. It's not looking bad. Keep printing. Press the pedal. We're waiting for you right above the 30s. Good job. Good job. Passing the flex accounts. Good job right there. We just move the trailings a little bit. If this candle turns green, we're going to be out in a little profit. But we're leaving it room for a continuation downwards if that's the case. Come on. It's not that hard today from what we're looking at. I'm out here. So we're still down $500, but we were down a lot more. Around 2,000 maybe. And this is 5 flex accounts. Oh, sorry to hear that, Business Lens. Keep it strong and reorganize. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. IRM big promotions, but Lucid is running their last day of 40% off for the Lucid Flex. Keep that in mind, the last day. We get something out of this one to the top side. The 5-minute algo is going to get triggered soon in a matter of 30 seconds. And we're looking at a great picture. So we made profit here on the Lucid Flex, $600. We've got 2 accounts on profit for the IRM. Profit on Ticktick Trader. So we got some profits, not to be shy about. But the weekly opening kept me down. Like the video, guys. Come on, like the video, everyone. Let's bring up those numbers. We've got a lovely moment out here. Thank you so much for joining. Let's go. We might attack last week's high around the 500s. It's not easy. Time to get out of this? What do you guys think about? I got in a little long. Testing the waters. We got 2 minis long here. Added 1 more to it. I'll leave this one open. We might get a runner. Along with the opening. Watch that one, guys. Let's just break out and build 20-30 points here. Come on. Let's go. Baby's here at the door. You might hear it next to the office. Break even, guys. Break even. Stop loss and break even. Keep going on the flex accounts. You got no, you got 50% consistency. And that's not a problem. That would be the ultimate problem, right? You got to do that 9 grand. Yeah. Certainly. Right here next to the door. Crying. It's just a year and 7 months. Keep building, guys. We had a decent entry here. Along with the opening value, we might see a nice runner. If we don't get to touch that. I need this. Certainly trade signals long. If we close out here, we're in profit. But you know I'm stubborn. 1 minute to go. I'm stubborn, guys. I gotta be stubborn, otherwise we don't drink champagne in life. Otherwise we don't drink champagne. We push to the last week's high on the 500s. Temporary rejection there, but we're not afraid. We're not afraid. The price action looks pretty decent. And guess what? The opening could actually give you a 100-point movement to the upside. Why would you not leave your trade open for that? I mean, I shouldn't cross profit in a day more than 4,500 because of that consistency. Let me see. That one, 540s. If it's rushing to 540, 6 seconds to go, guys. I'm leaving it open. Let's go with the opening, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Keep going. Keep going. Do not dare to freaking reverse. Oh, they reversed that. They reversed that, and probably it's gonna pump. I had to risk, right? Not an issue. We're opening a contract short. If it wants to go over, I'm happy to digest it. 2 contracts short, actually. Beautiful. Keep dumping. Adding more to this. It's pressing, guys. What a strong push from there. What a strong push from there, guys. Look at that. 3,400. Nah, it's not good. Nothing works here for the moment. Nothing works here for the moment. Gotta take it slow. Kind of hit me a little bit. Watch that recovery, guys. Certainly don't like this price action. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining, guys. And for the giveaway, you gotta like the video. I'm gonna short my Top 1 Futures Ignite account, a single contract. We'll just double up. No. I'm putting the break even there. Come on. Hate that damn target.
Order filled.
Yeah, finally, the target has been hit here, $500 on this Ignite account. Trying to see if I still can do something with this. You know, it's only $650. To the max loss, only 650 for this 150k IRM. So trying to see if we can recover. Willing to risk a little bit. Stop loss break even. Bring it back to the top. That would be a $900 profit. Would certainly need that. Nah, we just did a gigantic wick. Testing out the short. Adding to this short here. 2 contracts. Take profit around the 30s. If we get it slightly below the 30s. There's not much left here. Yeah, we got sucked out. Nope. It's good that at least we made money on 2 accounts. We made money on 3 Lucid instant funded. We made money on the Ignite. We made money on the Ticktick. Hopefully, we can do something with this money we made. We made money on 2 volumetric accounts. 1 is gone. And I think the flex accounts are gone too. Or just $60 away from the max loss on the flex accounts. The only positive part about it is today is the last massive promotion for the Lucid. By the way, Lucid flex accounts. Their promotion expires today. I'm planning making on a video and explain you something. In the meantime, What a huge drop. And we're not having an easy time breaking above last week's high, guys. Certainly above 500s. We're trading right now exactly in between the weekly VWAP and last week's high. Who's gonna win? Look at that. Lucid Flex evaluations didn't work through. As I told you, once you get a funded Flex account, it's so valuable. You don't have a payout target, you don't have consistency. It's extremely valuable. It's so close to a personal model, to a personal funding model. You don't have a daily loss. You don't have, I mean, you can set it up, but certainly the firm is not doing it for you. So that's so valuable, which is why it's worth to have the funded accounts out of the big account sector. That's why it's worth to have it. You have a big drawdown there. You're going to qualify with 4,500 on the Flex account drawdown. You know, that's going to help you a lot, right? 4,500 on the funded. $250 a day, that's your target for 5 days, and you can already start cashing out, and you might have some winners there that you let run because you don't have a consistency on the funded stage. It's a big deal with a Lucid Flex. We just have to make it funded, right? And then it's not the most difficult to qualify for the payouts once it's funded. Look at this 1 hour candlesticks. We had something like that on 1st of December. Looks like a temporary top here around the 680. Yeah. But we got a bunch of support coming through, guys. So the whole thing is filled up with support below these levels. Horizontal supports. Yes, I'm still with Savius. I'm just, yeah, I still got my Savius accounts, sure. Just having a difficult time digesting the outcome of that Flex accounts. Didn't expect it to go that deep. And it was certainly my issue. And if I go right now and trade a Savius account, I'm gonna revenge. So if I do it, I could end up profitable. But the more I do this, certainly on the long term, I'll lose. So better not. I've learned my lesson. I don't want to revenge. As soon as I have a loss that I'm not feeling right about it. Yes, the owners and the guys behind are from Italy. There's a lot of the people in the firm from Italy on Savius. Right, so finally we can activate the third funded as well here. We had 4 basically on the IRM, but we kept 1 on pause. So finally we can trade. I mean, you know, I had this 150k on IRM, which I could actually start today, a brand new one. We had 4. We bought more because of the Black Friday. You know, I could start trading this one today with a tight stop loss, maybe a single contract. But I do want to feel way more balance through my mind. I don't want to gamble. I like to do my analysis purely. That's why I'm slowing it down. Yeah. And it was certainly not the worst day. We made money on the Lucid Flex, Lucid Direct accounts. We made money on 2 IRM accounts. We made money in the Ignite account. We made money on the Ticktick. Ticktick only requires a single day and we go for a $10,000 payout. At a time it just resumes, hopefully. They resume, hopefully, guys. I don't have... Which code is not working? Let me know more details. Which code is not working and where? Please let me know the details so I can help you. BTC reacted very strong after this news in the last 10 minutes. Look at that, guys. Ethereum is going wild. Unstoppable. Let me share with you something very interesting. What do you guys think about this? Let me just organize the screen for you. Look at that. It's not bad, right? We might be off to something. That is Ethereum against Bitcoin. We might be off to something. Ethereum might outperform. Where you don't have the code working. I think the code is working pretty much everywhere. If you have an issue with the code, let me know. 40% is right now the discount, which expires today. Lucid discount expires today, guys. Alright guys, so giveaway starts in a few minutes. Make sure to sign up, everyone. Giveaways will start in a few minutes. You gotta sign up. And for those of you that are new, you also have to join our Discord community. Here's the link in the chat. Depends basically which campaign. There's multiple models, guys. The Lucid Direct is one price, is one specific discount. Lucid Pro, each model have their own discounts on Lucid. Each model, Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex, Lucid Direct, everything is a specific percentage. With my code, everything is at max discount available. There's no bigger discount available than what you can get. It's always attached to the best offer at any time, at any hour, at any moment. We have 215 guys join the giveaway. Time to get ready and prepare. Time to get ready and prepare. So how to join? Of course, one of the questions that you should ask yourselves. How to join? Time to get ready, guys. The first thing you have to do is you have to like the video. Come on, everyone. Like the video right now. The second thing is you'd like to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Daily trading, educational, lovely community. Very powerful. Yeah. And the third thing is join my Discord. Right? So these are the three things besides completing the form for the giveaway of today. For the giveaways. We got plenty of giveaways. The first one will be Top 1 Futures. 25,000. End of the day drawdown. Instant funded. Well, if we do two numbers, maybe, if we do two numbers, right? We're going to do two numbers as well. Well, the first giveaway is going to involve more than two numbers. Right, so you can start right now, guys. Between 0 and 5, you can start right now. Start right now, between 0 and 5. First giveaway, Top 1 Futures, $25,000 instant funded, end of the day drawdown. That's a great and lovely account. So make sure you have joined the forum. You guess the number, a single guess per person. You're subscribed, you filled up the form, and you're great to go. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Between 0 and 5. Martin, we don't have the number 6. I don't know what you mean by the number 6, Martin. But we do appreciate your intention to be right. You never know, maybe the wheel somehow goes to number 6 somehow. Paluca as well is going for the number 6. Pasha is going for the number 6. Yeah. I think you have some decent chances, guys. So stop right there, no more. Stop right there, no more. Harsh, number 9. It's a reverse number 6, guys. Think about it. It's on the same page. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Yeah, they know something. Maybe they're behind a wheel. And controlling the pedal. But we got you out here with a different set of numbers. We don't have a shuffle right now. No shuffle has been made. And I think that might be the number 1 on the red. What do you guys think about? That might be the number 1 on the red, or pretty much the number 2. It's gonna be tight. It is tight. Aye, there you go. We got you with the number 1. Congratulations for the winners. Time to get ready for the duck race. Ladies and gentlemen, time to get ready for the duck race. We got you on the wheel with a number 1. And our great community member Badger is helping us with the numbers. Only 14 winners. Oh my gosh. Only 14 winners. So you guys will compete for 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. Ho ho ho. That's huge, guys. Only 14 winners. Who's gonna speed up right now? Trader Satori. There you go. Number 8. We've got you. We've got you. Congratulations, buddy. Trader Satori. Hey. Come on. But we're gonna find it out if you completed a form. Looks like the question about Savius did brought you some luck, right? Didn't you? Trader. Let's see, are you here? Trader Satori. Where are you? You're not here, Trader Satori. Right? I'll refresh the page quickly. No worries. Trader Satori. Are you in Santorini? You forget about. Unfortunately. Time to look for the next one. Time to look for the next one. Unfortunately. Vanjian. Vanjian. Are you here, Vanjian? Yes. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, buddy. There you go. Oh, congratulations, Vanjian. Look at that one. With a unicorn duck, right? Pretty close with a Norwich. But the first giveaway goes out to Vanjian. Unfortunately, Trader Satori was not on the list. Did not build up the form. Gotta be careful next time, buddy. You had a tremendous chance winning. And you let us down. Great. Let's just advance to the next one. Second giveaway. Second giveaway will be Second giveaway will be $50,000 flex account. Second giveaway will be 50 grand flex account. So watch the numbers and watch what we're doing. Listen to me, guys. We will do... Listen to me. Do not write anything. Listen to me careful. We will do 0, 1, 2. Write these three numbers. And I'm going to introduce the number 3 only twice. Right? So these ones will actually appear dozens of times, as you can see. Let me share with you how many times that combination of 0, 1, 2 will appear. And now, 2 number 3s. 2 number 3s only. Right? So keep that in mind. That's the ratio. You can start right now. Think about it. Start right now. Guess the number. Good luck. Best of luck, everyone. So we have 0, 1, 2. And just 2 times introducing the number 3. Right? Think about what is your chance? What is your chance if you're going for the number 3? Very small. But we're going to shuffle the wheel. There's already too many of you going for the number 3, guys. There's already too many for you. There's going to be too much competition. For those of you that have joined late, make sure to like the video, be subscribed. Stop right there, no more guesses. Stop right there, no more guesses. We'll shuffle it. Where's the number 3, guys? We have the double number 3 back to back. Look at that. Right there at the top. We're going to leave it like this. Best of luck, everyone. This is the second giveaway, the $50,000 Lucid Flex account. Bunch of number 2 back-to-back accounts, but we're going close to that double 3, guys. Let's see if the paddle works. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Will it work? Look at that. Look at that one. It's the number 3. We had 41 entries, right? 41 entries on the wheel. 39 different numbers and only double number 3s. Crazy, guys. Nah. It's confirmed, you know, it's totally rigged. It's rigged, guys. Certainly, think about it. You guys have not been playing roulette to see how the double O comes out. You guys have not been playing roulette to see how the double O comes out. And we have 19 winners. So it's not that easy, guys. 19 winners. They actually risked a lot, right? Think about. They actually risked a lot. Best of luck, everyone. Look at that one. It's still 19 winners. I thought you guys are not going to go for the number 3. Who's going to take it? Teo. Teo, there you go. We got you out there, 318. Let's verify. Yes. Congratulations. 50k Lucid Flex. You can flex your muscles. So we're gonna change the structure and the numbers right now. Let's just have another game, guys, and see how rigged is this. We're only gonna play 2 numbers, but the ratio it's gonna be different, guys, between the 2 numbers, right? So we're gonna play 2 numbers, but the ratio will be different. So let me tell you, the first number is gonna be, oops, let's put it this way. And I'll tell you the ratios. You have to wait. We have 25 zeros. We have 25 zeros on the wheel. And 15 number ones. 25 zeros, 15 number ones. You can start right now. This is a $50,000 IRM account. $50,000 IRM account. 25 zeros, 15 number ones on the wheel. That's the ratio. Come on, best of luck, everyone. We're gonna shuffle them. We got some number 2s as well. Some nice diversification. For those of you that have joined late, we're streaming daily 8 AM EST time. Make sure to like the video. Thank you so much for joining. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses, guys. It's over. You gotta guess between the starting and the ending command. So, let's shuffle them a few times. We're good to go this way. Best of luck, guys. No worries. This is the last giveaway. 520s on the Nasdaq. 525. 530s, 25 zeros, 15 number ones. We got a few zeros coming up, but the only number 1 is that green right there. It's the only number 1, guys, in between the so many zeros. Look at that. Are we gonna attack that number 1 between so many zeros? Look at that. Look at the top of the wheel. Look at that. Oh my god. How rigged is this, guys? Look at that. How rigged is this? Tell me how you get the double O at the roulette, at a casino. How you get that double O? That's how you get a number 1 here. That's crazy, guys. So we actually have 4 below and 3 above, right? Zeros. 4 below, 3 above. And then you get right through the number 1. Come on, man. That's not real. It's extremely rigged, guys. You want to try out the platform. The platform is called Wheel of Names. of names. You want to try out the platform and see how rigged it is. We gotta reach out to support and do something. They might be watching it on the stream. 560s on the Nasdaq. Let's just pick up the winners. 83. Oh my gosh. 83 winners. And you guys say it's rigged. So 83 people actually went against the odds. 83. They will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 83 winners actually went against the odds. I didn't want to put a single number one because, well, look at that, guys. Keep going, keep going. I'm calling police, guys. It's a wheel of scam. It's not possible. I'm reading your messages, guys, and having fun about. We're not touching anything, guys. There's no control behind the wheel. You can test it out on the platform. It's not my website. Solo trades with a panda. You got me laughing so much, guys. Come on. Let's keep it up. Tell me how rigged it is. I'd like to hear all the versions and scenarios, how rigged it is. Tell me, guys. I'd like to hear all the scenarios. All the scenarios, how rigged it is. So, come on, 10 seconds. Now you gotta speed up. You gotta come from behind. The ones at the top will not win. No, we're gonna stop them out. Look at that. I told you guys. Papelaria, you're gonna get wiped out. There is a long name winning. Ahmad, number 17. Where are you from, buddy? Papelaria is the second rank, but Ahmad, with a police dog, came through. Have you guys seen this user on our live stream, Ahmad? Have you guys seen this name so far in the past 6 months? Tell me, guys. Congratulations, winners. Have you guys heard about him so far? He's got a heavy name, a very long name. Because I know people used to say if they never heard about a name, it's a bot. Come on, guys. This is having a great time, having fun all around the corner. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being up right here. What's happening on Nasdaq? Is it sleeping? Pushed all the way to 575. Well, if the wheel is rigged, then how we can call the markets? Think about the markets if the wheel is so bad. What about the markets? What a lovely time, guys. What a lovely time. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Keep in mind, Lucid is having its last day of promotions for the flex at 40%. It's going to change. So thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely time. Looking forward to it on our Discord. We might be able to make a video today, to film a video today. You know, when you talk about trading, there's nothing unrigged. Otherwise, everyone would make money, right? Thank you, guys. Have a lovely time out there. Have a beautiful moment. Wishing you good luck, but careful with the sizing, careful with the risk, and learn from my mistakes. That's why we are here. Have a lovely